Mm-hmm. Carefully. Very well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are having Christmas tree for a few days already, but today is the first day when Alice showed her interest to it. So she brought me here and she was, touching on all the lanterns and so on. Right, Alice? Where do you want me to go? To the Christmas tree. She comes, take my hand and bring me here all over again. Mm-hmm. Christmas tree and lanterns. Alice, you look so small nearby this Christmas tree. Hello guys! We are out for a walk with Alice. Today we both feel so much better again. And yes, except for my voice, we feel very well. No idea what is it with my voice. So today outside is +5. And you know what? I felt so hot when we went outside because I thought it's like +2, feeling like -1 and so on. And I wear very warm hat and clothes. And you know what? When we went outside, I was like, is it a spring here coming or what? So I changed the hat and everything. So right now don't feel that cold. Oh my god, that is so beautiful, look! A while ago I went to my husband's sister. Yesterday they went to the market and they bought salo. Do you guys know what is salo? It's a pork's fat marinated in salt and some spices. Very tasty one. And also marinated cabbage. I'm not really sure about English names for these dishes. I will Google for you. Sorry about that. So a while ago they passed it to me and I didn't know how to bring it because usually I put everything down here, but this is the bucket of cabbage. It stands just like this. And this is salo, the marinated salo they bought for us. Salo can fit in here, no problem, but this one, I'm afraid it may fall down. That is why right now I need to go back home. It wasn't actually fitting in, so we just pushed it there. And right now I'm not really sure whether, I can take it out or whether it may fall down when I'm, going off the road, for example. So we will see. So right now I'm walking here and this is Ujon, the administration of this district. This is called Vilanov Plaza. I showed it in the video about the district we live at. So basically there is a field here, you can play with dogs here, and there is a sand there for volleyball and for other games. Kids playground is there, and I see that they built something here for winter fun. Plus they are putting some trees here up, and as you see, everything melts. Spring is coming, guys. Uh-oh. I'm afraid I'm not able to pass here, so let me turn. But anyway, I can see that this is kind of slide here, and this is the carousel. Probably nothing works already, I don't know, because everything melted. We will see. Let's go from the other side. So there are some works here. I'm not able to pass there with a buggy. No problem, because I'm just walking around taking a look what is new here. And Alice doesn't want to sleep, sitting and watching. Alice is asleep, I'm on the way back home, and you see they're cleaning everything here, maintaining the trees already. That is so great that the snow melts and they came right away to clean everything. That's cool. Guys, guess what are we doing here? Well, not exactly us. Vitaly, what are you doing here? So the washing machine had some problems And the serviceman came today. Probably the problem is in the control mode, and he needs to call another serviceman who will have some kind of testing computer to connect it to the washing machine, and then they will see if there is a problem or not. And if it is, then need to change this control mode for 700 zlotych. And you know what, our landlords, they are so nice. They were like, oh guys, come on, maybe we just change the washing machine for you. It's amazing. Well, yes, it's normal practice that if you rent an apartment, then usually they do help to, you know, maintain everything, but still, we don't really want them to pay much for the new washing machine, because maybe the problem is not that big. That is why Vitaly is trying hard here. And then Vitaly googled, and he said that probably the problem is in that... Show it, please. How do we call it in English?
The heater is burned out, so the leakage, there is a current leakage. That is why the machine stopped itself.
So Vitaly is such a great engineer. He seems to find a problem, and we need to order that heater at Allegro. Probably will take 2 days to arrive, because there is none in physical, in offline shop. Alice, please don't go, dear. So that heater that we ordered arrived, and Vitaly is testing it right now. Let's see whether it will help. So this is the old heater, right? And the new one is already inside. Wow, wow, wow! It is a huge bucket of the marinated cabbage. It's cabbage and carrot, and I checked the dictionary. It says that it's called sauerkraut. And on the top, look what is that? It's salo or lard. Yes, Alice, I will give it to you right in a second. Everything is marinated and ready to eat. Alice is playing a new game. So she takes something from here. Papa is working here. Oh, and she's bringing it here. Cool. Super, Alice. So she's just running around. Cool. Hakimi, our cozy dog. You look so beautiful on this furniture. I mean, color match is just perfect. So right now she's opening all the drawers, you know, nothing criminal here except for this one, and she already can reach it. So I'm thinking maybe we should put a lock here so she won't open it. We are always nearby, always watching her, but still, because knives are there. Or we have to think of a better space for knives. Alice, turn to me, please. Alice! This is a bakery form for cake. And she just wear it, Alice. Oh my god. Guys, 1 a.m. I'm just back from the shower. Alice is asleep and Vitaly is watching her via our camera and listening. So he just, you know, moved one headphone like this to listen and playing. What game is that?
Dirt 2, rather.
Okay, maybe you wanna go to sleep? Come on, 1 a.m. Tomorrow I have to work. Okay.